Hello guys, welcome to Staad Pro tutorials. In this session we'll be discussing about load combinations subjected to live load, dead load and wind load, which is nodal load 20 kilonewtons. Initially start Staad Pro, select new project, give whatever the name you want it. We set it to the required units, select next, add beam, finish. Select it to front view. Ours is a 5 meter span. So select 5 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, now press escape. You can switch off the grid, go to general, define property rectangle which is 0.38 by 0.23, 0.38 by 0.23, add, close, assign to the entire structure, assign, yes. Now select the support, create fixed support, add, select fixed support, assign to the nodes, assign to selected nodes, assign, yes. Coming to loads and details, load case details, add, dead load, add, close, live load, add, wind load, add, close. Select dead load, add, which is uniformly distributed load, minus 40 kilonewtons as shown in the figure, minus 40 kilonewtons per meter, global y direction, add, close. Select the load, assign to the selected beam, assign. Coming to live load, add, which is 2 uniformly distributed of magnitude 20 kilonewtons per meter, add, close. Select the load, assign to selected beam, assign, yes. Wind load, add, which is nodal load of magnitude 20 kilonewtons because it is acting in the positive direction of x, add, close. Select the node using node cursor, assign to the selected node, assign, yes. Scale the load. Now coming to the load combinations, select load case details, add, define combinations. So our first combination is dead load plus live load. Dead load plus live load, and the 1.5 is the factor. Select dead load, live load and select these symbols, add. Next combination is dead load plus wind load, dead load plus wind load. Select the dead load and wind load. Next combination is dead load minus wind load, and select the dead load initially, give the factor 1.5 and select the wind load and give the factor as minus 1.5, add. The next combination is dead load, live load, wind load, dead load plus live load minus wind load, and the factor is 1.2. It's dead load plus live load plus wind load and the factor is 1.2. Select the loads, add. And the next one is dead load plus live load minus wind load, factor is 1.2. Select dead load and live load, send it to the other side. Now select minus 1.2 and select wind load and send it to the other side, add. In this way the load combinations are created. Close. Now once the creation of combinations is finished, You can analyze the structure by going to analysis and print add, close, analyze, run analysis, save. The Staad Pro analyzes the structure. Now you can view the displacements, shear forces in post-processing mode. You can see it's only for dead load. You can change the load, live load, wind load, and a combination of loads. The values can be obtained from view value, beam results, maximum resultant, annotate, close. Reactions can be obtained by selecting the reaction tab on the left side under node. By selecting deflection, you can view the deflection for the particular combination. Now select animation and select section displacement, apply, OK. You can see the section displacement animation for that particular combination of load. Okay. In order to, well, this gives bending moment, shear force, axial forces for that particular combination of load. In this way the load combinations are created and the analysis is carried out. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you.